Talk about the winners. And Bank of Baroda definitely looks to be one this morning. Gaurav, just remind us, recap the numbers.
Well, yes, when we look at Bank of Baroda, two key positive things. First is net interest margin expansion and second is credit cost decline. Now, when we look at the numbers, net interest income increased almost by 2.5%. PPOP that declined almost by 20% because the support from other income that was missing because of the treasury income. Provisions that declined almost by 49%, and as a result, when we look at profit, that declined just by 8%. Now, when we look at profit number, and in absolute term, it was a bit better than the street's expectation. Now, when we look at the net interest margins, we saw a surprise here because net interest margins increased almost by 5 basis points sequentially. Now, this was also supported by the IT refund that the company got of around 750 crores. And apart from that, another key point is that the credit cost that declined almost by 26 basis points sequentially. And this was largely aided by the international business. We saw zero slippages there. And as a result, slippage ratio that also declined. Now, when we look at brokerages, they are now being a little bullish about it because we have got HSBC who upgraded the target price to 340. Nomura upgraded the target price to 320. And for Investec, they even upgraded the rating to buy and also increased the target price to 325 versus what it was at 250. So definitely bullish call coming up from brokerages as well. Good set of numbers, and at the same time, management also remained optimistic on their con call. So definitely watching out on this stock today.
PSUs and PSU banks were all the rage last week. 2% on Bank of Baroda, BPCL, great numbers at the bottom of the screen. So it's going to be a fair bit of PSUs today as well. Now,